I'm Tammy Pathagavanda, and joining Hotmon made me realize what a queenager I am. I've got so much life to live, and I'm looking forward to empowering women and youth around the world.
I'm Natasha Mohanlal from South Africa, proud finalist of the Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide. This has been an exhilarating experience, and I'm using this platform to empower women all over the world.
Hi, I'm Sonia from Germany, and I can't wait to just kick off with these beautiful ladies all here. And I'm looking forward for all the days that are coming with all these beautiful ladies on the beautiful locations with beautiful gowns and dresses.
Hello Dubai, we're here for the Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2024 Season 13. It's going to be all about beauty and glamour for the next 7 days. We're super excited.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonal. I'm based in Dubai, and we are so excited to be here with Hotmon and for this opportunity. Thank you so much, Hotmon, for this lovely opportunity and to be with all these beautiful women out here.
Hello from Dubai. This is Devshri Golecha. I came from US. I'm super excited to be here as a finalist of Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2024 Season 13. I'm at the Al-Seef Heritage Hotel, Curio Collection by Hilton. It's a beautiful property, and I'm thoroughly enjoying my time here. I'm so looking forward to the next 6 days until the countdown, and hope the best person win the crown. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Hema Mista. I'm from Dubai. I'm super excited about this whole journey, the experience I'm going through. I'm looking forward for this 7 days pageant, and let the best person win.
Hi, my name is Payal Shah. I'm from USA, Virginia. I'm extremely excited to be here. I have gone through 3 months of great training from Hotmon team. I learned so many different skills here. I want to be an influencer. So Hotmon is going to give me great platform, because I want to spread awareness that with the help of epigenetics and holistic healings, we can treat and cure many health issues like diabetes, blood pressure, fatty liver, and many more. So I'm looking forward to win this pageant, be part of Hotmon.
Hi all, I'm Shari, coming all the way from Sydney to this beautiful, wonderful contest of Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide. I'm looking forward to meet all these beautiful girls here and also to get the crown.
Habibi, Dubai, super excited to be a part of this beautiful pageant, and it's so good to see all the women from off screen to in person, and it's thrilled to see all the arrangements have so beautiful impact and everything is going super smooth. So excited to meet each and every strong woman.
Hello, good morning and namaste to everyone. My name is Kashika. I come from Netherlands, the beautiful country of tulips and cheese, and it's amazing to be part of Hotmon Season 13, and I'm looking forward to this season. All the best to all the contestants.
Hi, I'm Neha Bantia. I'm from New Jersey, and I'm extremely excited to be here with the entire Hotmon team and all the beautiful co-contestants. It's an amazing vibe. The Hotel Heritage Curio is amazing because of the boho vibe, classic vibes, and we are here to explore as much as it's possible and also give the best photo shoots from here. So let's rock it the next 7 days, and I'm extremely looking forward to it.
Hi everyone, I'm Sindhya Kirplani, and I'm here in Dubai for the finale of Mrs. India Worldwide 2024. So this is organized by the Hotmon team, the wonderful team who put in so much effort, and right now I'm feeling so thrilled and excited. There's lots happening here. We have a lot of wonderful, beautiful ladies rounded up here, and we're all checking in, and I'm feeling super excited.
Hi, I'm Monica Karkera. I'm the finalist of Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2024. I'm super excited for this prestigious platform what Bharat sir and Sylvie ma'am and Shubhra Brahmar ma'am has arranged for us. And I'm super excited for today's evening. Thank you.
Hello Dubai. We are here at Heritage Hotel and we are feeling amazing. I am so excited to be here. I'm Neha from New Jersey and I just cannot believe the vibe, the boho vibes and the classic vibes the hotel has. We have met all the beautiful contestants and it's been so amazing to meet everybody here on the same platform. Everybody is looking beautiful and extremely excited and looking forward to the next 7 days. So yes, let's rock it and we are here to do that. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Sharvani Bassi and I'm here in Dubai. So excited. It's my first time. So I'm just astonished with how beautiful it is. I'm very excited to be here for the next 6 days and part of the finale. I'm really excited to meet all the ladies, my co-contestants, my groomers, Bharat sir, Sylvie ma'am. So super excited, looking forward to what's going to come up and completely charged up for the next 6 days. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Megha Soin. I'm really excited to participate in Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide Season 13. I'm so excited to see all the beautiful ladies. We're gonna rock and let's see who will win the crown. But the chase is open and this is an amazing experience. Thank you.
तो आज हम यहाँ पे हॉटमॉन मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्ड वाइड के 13th सीजन का इनॉग्रेशन कर रहे हैं। हमारा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आज हमारे जन्नत क्रूज़ पे है। आज हमारे सारे प्रेस के मीडिया भाई लोग आए हुए हैं और विद सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स जो 107 कंटेस्टेंट्स डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ लाइक यूएस, यूके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, सिंगापुर, ज़्यादा अलग अलग देशों से हैं। हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं 13वां सेशन अपने हॉटमॉन मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्ड वाइड का।
Hi everyone, this is Shubhra and today is the first day of Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2024 Season 13. We are in the beautiful city of Dubai at the Jannat Dhao cruise and all the lovely 108 contestants are looking glamorous and up to the mark for the event. So we have the press conference meet today, followed by the semi-finale round for talent round and swimwear round on the 5th of May and followed by the grand finale on the 6th of May. I would like to wish all the contestants all the very best and may the best one win. Thank you so much.
We choose our girls on absolute self-confidence. We don't look at our girls to shame their bodies and we don't look at our girls to shame their height. We don't look at our girls to shame their figures or their looks or their color. We choose our girls simply on their confidence if they can talk and get the message across to us. That's most important. We have more than 30 to 30. Thank you girls. Thank you for supporting us. We have more than 30 to 35,000 applicants throughout the year, to which we end up choosing approximately 110, sometimes 120. It's heartbreaking to let the other girls not enter, but because we want to look for this confidence in these girls, then sir, after choosing these girls, we train them for 1 full year with the best people we have on board from all over the world. That's what Hotmon is all about, sir.
What's the main message from this competition? What do you want to say to the world through this competition?
So through this Mrs. India Worldwide platform, we give a platform where the married female, those who have not got this kind of platform earlier, when they wanted to do, when they were not married and they were having pressures of a study, family pressures, they could not participate in this kind of events and they had the passion for it. So after marriage, we are giving the platform to relive their life.
And I take immense delight in welcoming you all to the press conference meet of Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide 2024 Season 13 happening in the glittering city of Dubai. A big round of applause for Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide.
It's been such an honor to keep speaking to you, to keep talking to you. I always say that Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide has been the most meaningful experiences of my life, and I know it from the bottom of my kidneys and lungs that it's going to be for you, each one of you as well. Give your best shot, enjoy yourself. These moments are never going to come back. You know, you all are the queens, the real queens who are going to inspire the complete world. Every person who's sitting over here, who has done the task, who has done the transformation, I can see a huge transformation in everybody's persona. You all are doing extremely well, and this is the time now to rock on the stage.
My heart is brimmed with appreciation for our incredible 104 finalists who has gone through this extraordinary life transformation crafted through this platform of Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide. It's an honor to stand before you today as you start the journey of beauty, grace and determination. As each one of them said, yes, each one of you are already a winner right in our eyes.
Hi everyone, hope you are feeling well today. Yes? And I know what I have been going through, everyone going through in 2020 that during their time also. This is the time our heart is going to touch sky, like what will be happening tomorrow, then after tomorrow. But good to say, we just need to have belief at yourself and go ahead. You all are winners, of course, but think about the crown. Once you think about the crown, it would be yours, guys.
One.